Hey Crow, don't you have a human heart?
Nah, I don't.
You're not
Look, you might call me a fake Toji, but at least I don't got pillow hands.
imaginary technique. Power hands! Tata, never mind, I can't be tossed to you because you're a woman.
Is that all you've got, pillow hands?
No one that spams.
My god, it was like technique I haven't used since an era! Please hug.
A beaver and a chippy?
Bro, so much of a bummy makes you really look like a good guy.
I thought you were saying free hug.
Easy, you're bad. Get better, bro.